Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We have new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have 6 awesome glitches to go over today as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so before we get to our new Dollar General digital coupons, I do want to remind everybody that we do have new free printable coupons right now on Inbox Dollars. So you can either go to the website or use the app and print off your coupons through Inbox Dollars, because Inbox Dollars actually pays you to print those coupons off. You get 1 penny for every 2 coupons that you print, and then you're going to get 20 cents per coupon that you redeem in the store. So how awesome is that? You're getting paid to use those free coupons. So definitely go and sign up if you're not already. I will leave my referral link in the pinned comment down below, but it's also in the description box if you would rather check it out there. Now, I'm also going to be posting the insert schedule for each month as we move throughout the year. I'm going to be posting those in our community tab. So if you need to reference this later on, definitely check out the community tab. It will be right there for you. But for today, February the 6th, we have a new save insert and a new smart source insert. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. Now, I always recommend that y'all sign in on the website on Sundays to clip your new digital coupons to your account. Versus using the app, because if you sign in on the website, all the coupons show up all at once. You can clip them and you are ready to go for the rest of the week. If you use the app, sometimes we just have issues with the app not showing up. Not all the coupons won't show up all at once. They kind of trickle in throughout the day, and sometimes they just don't show up at all. So that's what I recommend. Y'all use the website, clip your coupons, and you're good to go for the rest of the week. Now, also this week, I did notice that a lot of our products' prices have gone up. I just heard yesterday that Kimberly-Clark, they are following suit with P&G, and they are also going to be raising their prices. And I'm pretty sure that that's just going to be a trend that we see over the next couple of months. So when y'all are in the store, do not trust the tags on the shelves. It's very important that y'all scan the items to price check before you go up to the register. That way you don't have any surprises, okay? We know that the employees are super busy. They have a lot on their plate, and they do not always have time to go through and change out those price tags every time the prices change. All right, so scan your products to price check. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump in because we have a lot of really great deals, a lot of awesome freebies this week. So, first up, 2 off 1 for the Brawny paper towels, 4 count. These are priced at $9, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7. We have a 150 off 1 for the Angel Soft. This is on the 6 mega rolls. These are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4, which I think is a pretty good deal considering those are the larger rolls. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Colgate toothpaste. If you want to pick up the Max Fresh toothpaste, those are now priced at $2.95 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.95, which is not a good deal, but this coupon is glitching. So this is also working on the Colgate Kids toothpaste for $1. So after the coupon, that is going to make it completely free. So woohoo, we're starting off on a good note here. We have a free item and an awesome glitch. Alright, next up we have 1 off 1 for the Garnier Fructis. These have went up in price. These are now $3.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.25. We have 1 off 2 for the Lysol products. So if you want to pick up the regular size toilet bowl cleaners in the regular section, those are priced at $2 each. So pick up 2. After the coupon you're going to pay $3 for 2. Now, this coupon is also glitching, and I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Debra Williams-Buss for sharing this deal with me. This is working on the toilet bowl cleaners found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, you're going to pay $1 for 2. Now, also, while I was looking for glitches this morning, I found that this coupon is also glitching and working on the Lysol multi-purpose cleaner found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, you're going to pay $1 for 2. And also, so we're talking about a couple of coupons here, okay? We've got a 1 off 2 for the Lysol products. We also have a 50-cent off 1 Lysol coupon. It's further on down there. We've probably clipped it over the past couple of weeks. that coupon is also glitching and it is working on the toilet bowl cleaner and the multi-purpose cleaner. So there's your 2 more glitches, okay? 2 more coupons that are glitching. So make sure that you scan those products to make sure that those coupons attach, though, because we all know with glitches, they can end at any time. All right, so like I said, starting off on a good note here. Next up, we have 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl face products. The foundations or the powders are priced at $6, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have $1.50 off for the Airwick scented oil refills, 2 count. These are now $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have $1.50 off 1 for the Jergens lotion. These are priced at... Sorry guys, my coupons kind of skipped around here. These are priced at $4.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.85. We have a 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye product. The eyeliners are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have a 1 off 3 for the Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, A&W, Canada Dry, and RC Cola 12 packs. I love that that coupon includes all of those products because you can mix and match. So these are on sale this week, 3 for $11. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $10 for 3. Next up, we have 2 off 1 for the Maybelline New York products. So if you want to pick up the Great Lash Mascara, those are priced at $5.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. Or you can pick up the Maybelline eyeliners. Those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Now, next up, we did receive a 1 off 1 for the Degree men's deodorant and a 1 off 1 for the Degree women's deodorant. I'm going to pass on clipping those for now, just simply because we usually get higher value coupons, and those may trickle in throughout the week, okay? But if you want to go ahead and clip this one, the Degree women's and the men's are both priced at $4.85, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.85, okay? Next up, $1.50 off 1 for the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. Those are priced at $6, so after the coupon, you will pay $4.50. And we have a 2 off 1 for the Playtex Sport. These have went up in price. These are now $3.90, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.90. We have 4 off 2 for the L'Oreal Paris, 4 off or 444 for the Body Armor drinks. So you'll pay $1 each with that coupon, and those drinks are pretty good. I tried those this week. Next up, if you want to get the most bang for your buck on laundry detergent, here it is. Extra laundry detergent, 150 ounce bottles. These are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4, but you're getting 150 ounces of laundry detergent. All right, next up, 1 off 2 for the ground beef. These are priced at $4.50. So pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8 for 2. We have 1 off 2 for the Hidden Valley Ranch products. So if you want to pick up the little dipping packets that you kind of mix and make yourself, or you can use them on different things, these are priced at $1.85. So pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.70 for 2. We have 1 off 1 for the Kotex products. These start out at $3.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Now, I did not clip this coupon to my account because we do have higher value coupons in the January 2. It's either the Smart Source. I want to say it's the Smart Source, but it could be the Save. But we do have higher value insert coupons in that insert, and they have not expired yet. So I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. We have 2 off 1 for the Huggies. Those start out at $9.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. We have 2 off 1 for the Jergens Natural Glow. Those are priced at $6.50, so after the coupon, you'll pay $4.50. We have L'Oreal Paris Skincare, 1 off 2 for the wet ones, wet wipes. So those are priced at $2.50 for the 25 count, so pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. We have Zicam, 6 off 2 for the Clairol hair color. Those are priced at $7 each. So pick up 2, use this coupon, and that is going to leave you paying, I lost my spot here, guys, sorry. That is going to leave you paying $8 for 2. We have Theraflu, 2 off 1, Dog Chow, 2 off 1 13-pound bag or larger. So the 14-pound bags are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95, which is a pretty good deal. Robitussin, 2 off 1. These start out at $4, so after the coupon, you'll pay $2. We have another Clairol there. We have Nexium Airborne. Angel Soft, here's an awesome deal, guys. So, y'all remember the Angel Soft evergreen scented tubes. So the ones that were included in the clearance mint that I showed you all, those are now down to just 25 cents each. So be on the lookout, guys. I know that some of y'all have already been to your stores, but I swear these things are coming in. They're still coming in on the trucks, because that one store that I went to, they still had like 9 or 10 packs. So make sure that you're still being on the lookout for these, guys. Look high, look low, look behind your regular Angel Soft. These are down to just 25 cents right now. And this 5 off 1 digital coupon is working with those. So if you can find 2, use this coupon, and that's going to give you 2 packs of toilet paper for free. Or you could pick up 1 and use that 25 cents in overage on another product. But I think that is an awesome deal. So please keep your eyes out, because I swear, I think they're still coming in on the trucks where everything was so backed up before Christmas. I swear, I still think that they're coming in on the trucks. But, alright, moving on. We have 50 cents off for the Sparkle. 1 off 1 for the Palmers. If you want to pick up the lotion there, those are priced at $3.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have 150 off 1 for the Finish dishwasher tablets. So if you want to pick up the 22 or 24 count, those are priced at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We have 1 off 1 for the Carefree liners. Those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have 2 off 1 for the 5 count Airwick scented oil refills. Those have went up in price. Those are now $11. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9. We have 50 cents off for the Pepperoni dog treats. Those are priced at $2.15. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.65. We have 2 off 1 for the Tylenol. The 24 count is priced at $5.50. So after the coupon, you'll pay $3.50. There's that 1 off 1 Degree Women's coupon. We have a 2 off 1 for the Good Nights. Those are priced at $11.50. So after the coupon, you'd pay $9.50. We have 1 off 1 for the Got To Be Styling product. 1 off 1 for the A&D Diaper Rash cream. Those are priced at $4.75. So after the coupon, you'll pay $3.75. 4 off 2 for the Dove Amplified Hair Care. My stores do not carry these, but I went ahead and clipped it to my account just in case. We have 1 off 1 for the Hello deodorant. Those are priced at $6, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5. We have DG Health Allergy Relief. These are priced at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. 1 off 1 for the Garnier Whole Blends. Those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. 50 cents off for the True Living trash bags. There's a lot that you can choose from. Those are priced at $7, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. And 1 off 1 for the DG Health Cold and Flu. Those are priced at $3.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. We have a 10% off Lowe's gift card coupon. We have 50 cents off for the castor oil, motor oil. $2 off when you purchase 1 Pepsi Cola product and 1 Lay's product. Now, this coupon is awesome, and it is glitching this week. It is working on the 1.25 liters or 1 liters that are priced at just $1. So pick up 2 of those. You can choose from Pepsi or Mountain Dew. Pick up 2 of those at $2. That coupon is glitching, and that's going to leave you paying just 2 pennies. It's not making it completely free, but you're going to get 2 Pepsi or Mountain Dews, 1 liter or 1.25 liters for just 2 cents. So awesome deal. One more freebie to add on to our list, right? Next up, 50 cents off too for the Sour Patch Kids or Swedish Fish. These are also on sale this week. Buy 2, get 1 for free. So pick up 3 bags. Use this coupon. You're going to pay $3.90 for 3. 50 cents off for the DG Health Ibuprofen tablets, 100 count. These are priced at $2.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Of course, clip your 5 off 25. We did receive a lot of gain coupons, and we do have that 5 off 30 gain, so that's going to be really good for this Saturday. So the 1 off 1 gain, that works on the laundry products that are priced at $3.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. We have a 3 off 1 for the liquid, the 51 count, or the fireworks, that is priced at $13.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $10.50. We have 2 off 1 for the gain products that are priced at $6.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. And guys, just a heads up, I talked about this in a video last week. The P&G products are going to be going up in price. So if you are a reseller or if you just really love Gain products. You might want to stock up now while we still have these prices locked in, okay? All right, next up, we have a one-off one for the Crest mouthwash. This is priced at $5.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. And here is another glitch. So this is working on the Crest mouthwash travel size. That's 1.2 fluid ounces. These are $1 each. So pick up one, use this coupon, and that is going to make it completely free. So we are going to have some awesome Saturday scenarios, guys. I cannot wait. All right, 2 off 2 for the herbal essences. We have 1 off 1 for the Tide. Now, this is working on the Tide Pods or the Bounce Pet Dryer Sheets 50 count. Those two products are priced at $4.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.95. If you want to pick up the Tide Liquid Laundry Detergent, it's priced at $5.25. So that one has already gone up to $5.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. 1 off 1 for the Downy and Bounce products. Those are priced at $4.50. Still, cross our fingers. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Next up, we have 4 off 2 for the Febreze Unstoppables. This is basically a buy one, get one free coupon. So you're going to pay $4 for 2. We have 1 off 1 for the Gain Liquid Laundry Detergent or the Powdered Laundry Detergent. These are priced at $4.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.95. And next up, 2 off 2 for the Aussie hair products. So these start out at $3 each. So pick up 2, use this coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. We have a $3 off when you purchase $10 worth of Hershey's Valentine's Day candy. Definitely clip that one. We have 2 off 1 for the Clean and Clear. This works on the scrub that is priced at $5.15. After the coupon, you'll pay $3.15. And we have a 3 off 1 for the Neutrogena acne product. If you want to pick up the face wash, that is priced at $7. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. And we have a $1.50 off 1 for the Quilted Northern Bath Tissue. The 12 count is priced at $7.50. So after the coupon, you are going to pay $6. And I think that is it for our new Dollar General digital coupons. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are excited for all of these awesome deals that we have going on at Dollar General this week, plus all of those awesome freebies. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.